Hey there, awesome kids! Welcome to our channel, Simple Color Studio. Today we will learn 2D shapes. So, these are the colors I will be using in this video. Okay kids, let's count with me how many colors are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 colors. Let's check out what these colors are. Light green color, blue color, dark blue color, orange color, red color, dark green color, black color, dark pink color, light pink color, brown color, dark yellow, light yellow. So there are 12 colors I will be using in this video. Let's count how many shapes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 shapes. This is circle, square, triangle, star, pentagon, heart, oval, hexagon, crescent, semicircle, cross and arrow. So first I will start with the circle. This is dark pink color. I am using dark pink color to color this circle. I am coloring circle with dark pink color. Circle is a round shape. It has no corners. This is a circle. This is light green color. Square. I am coloring square with a light green color. A square has 4 sides. This is a square. Next shape is a triangle. It has 3 sides. This is light blue color. I am using light blue color to color this triangle. Light blue color. This is a triangle. Next shape I am going to color is a star. Yellow color. I am coloring the star with a yellow color. This is a star. Next shape is a pentagon. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's color it with orange color. I am coloring the pentagon with orange color. This is a pentagon. Red color. Next shape is a heart. I am coloring it with bright red color. This is dark blue color. Oval. Now I am painting oval with dark blue color. Next shape is hexagon. This is dark green color, hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This shape is a hexagon. I am coloring hexagon with dark green color. Next shape is crescent. Yellow color. I am coloring the crescent with yellow color. Next shape is a semicircle. I am coloring semicircle with a brown color. This shape is a semicircle. It is the half of a circle. Next shape is a cross. I am coloring the cross with a light pink color. This shape is a cross. Now the last shape is an arrow. I am coloring arrow with black color. This is an arrow. So we are done coloring the shapes. If you like the video, press like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.